Hello, welcome to Brownies. Today we've got another video for you. We get brownie out of the microwave. And yeah, I'll show you what we need. So we need 4 spoons of flour, 4 spoons of sugar. We need 2 spoons of hazelnuts. These are like chopped hazelnuts. 2 spoons of cocoa powder. And we need some vanilla sugar, which is just a little pinch, 4 spoons of water, and 4 spoons of oil. I wouldn't use any extra virgin olive oil, maybe vegetable oil or sunflower oil. Yeah, we need a spoon, a fork, and a mug for the microwave. Right, so we're going to mix all the dry ingredients together. So the sugar goes in, the flour goes in, and the hazelnuts, and also the cocoa powder. And the vanilla sugar. Just a bit of a pinch there. 2 pinches. About half a teaspoon. Right, mix it all up. So the cocoa powder and everything is all mixed up nicely. Then we're gonna add the water and the oil in there. Right, mix that all up with the fork. All right, that's all mixed up. It's quite stiff. I'm going to place it in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes to 750 watts. Alright, that's done. It's out of the microwave. I think it looks gorgeous. It's nice and gooey. That's how it looks from the inside. There you go. Yeah, very, very gooey. And we've got some whipped cream. You can add some vanilla ice cream. You can add some icing sugar. I'll add some whipped cream here. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then please subscribe to our channel down below for free and always be the first one to be informed about new videos. We've got loads more videos for you, so I'd say have a look. And yeah, we'll see you soon and next time at Brownies. Have a good day. Bye.